Hello guys, this is Gabriel Gia and today I'm going to teach you how to sign up and register in Friendship Online. So this is a step-by-step quick process na ituturo ko po sa inyo and I want you to pay attention to every detail that I'm going to say today. The step 1 is you need to ask your sponsor for referral link and username. So active process to ng mga sponsor natin and you don't have to worry for step 1. Ang gagawin nyo lang guys, once na makita nyo na yung link, copy and then paste it in Google Chrome. Dito nyo siya ipasok sa ating browser. No? Copy and paste. Yung ginagawa ng iba sa atin, kiniklik nila agad direkta sa Messenger. No tayo dyan. Copy nyo po and then i-paste. The fourth step is you need to open that one. Papasok na tayo ngayon sa Friendship Back Office. Click natin yung sign up. Subscription plan and then sign up. Lalabas na dito yung mga important form. Ito yung basic information natin. Nandyan yung username, email, our first name and last name, and our password. Fill everything up. Don't forget your password and be exact in your email. Step 6. Choose bank transfer. So ito yung important part kasi yung iba nakakalimutan nila. Pinipili nila yung PayPal. So don't forget this one. Click bank transfer and put on your profile picture. And the last step will be your referral or sponsor name. Correct ko po, sponsor name. Ito yung taong nag-invite sa inyo. Ito yung kaibigan nyo. So, huwag nyo yung kalimutan. And then, click nyo yung maliit na box dyan. Accept our terms and condition. And ito na po, magkakaroon kayo ng dashboard. You will have your social friendship account. And then you can start doing this business. Thank you so much guys. Yan lang po yung tutorial natin.